Now to a Fox 5 exclusive where after 13 years behind bars, dancehall DJ Vybz Kartel is freed from prison and his murder conviction overturned. He speaks only with our Lisa Evers, who has a story you will only see here on Fox 5.
It was a moment skeptics and haters thought would never come. Exonerated dancehall music superstar Vybz Kartel released from prison. Now he's free and free to speak, and he's talking only to Fox 5 News in this exclusive first interview.
In a white t-shirt, we did it. We rock them shades to the limit.
Jamaican entertainer Vybz Kartel is called the king of dancehall music by fans around the world. On July 31st, 2024, he walked out of the Tower Street Adult Correctional Facility in Kingston and did not look back. He spent nearly the last 13 years of his life doing hard time for a murder he always insisted he did not commit.
First of all, how are you feeling?
The feeling of just being free is an amazing feeling. Lisa, it's so surreal. I have to pinch myself just to see that I'm awake.
At times, his case had looked hopeless, but no matter how harsh the prison conditions, he never gave up. Neither did his attorney, Isop Buchanan, who waged fierce and focused legal battles, eventually convincing the highest courts in Jamaica and the UK to throw out the verdict and order his release.
Hard work and dedication, we believed in ourselves, and we had help inside and outside, especially you, Lisa. You pushed the case to the world.
On July 31st, while many were glued to the Jamaica Court of Appeal live feeds, Kartel says he was on the phone talking with Saddam.
She was like, babe, I'm on my way to get you. And then when the verdict was read, she's like, baby, you're free.
Kartel tells me he wrote hundreds of songs while in prison. Less than 24 hours after he got out, his new 12-track mixtape, called First Week Out, was released.
We have albums worth of songs. So a lot of writing about the situation, not about the situation, like a plethora of lyrics.
For now, the focus is on reconnecting with family members and recovering from the health problems that put his life on the line.
Before I go, I just want to say to the fans, thank you for the love. Thank you for being there by my side, my extended family. Thank you for having faith in me.
Kartel tells me he's looking forward to regular medical care to reverse the Graves' disease he suffers from, which causes some physical disfiguration, and strengthen his heart. In prison, his personal physician could only visit him once every 3 months. His goal now is to regain his health and be back on stage before the end of the year. I'm Lisa Evers, Fox 5 News.